From ActionableOps, here's how to put Hermes in your pocket as a Telegram bot. Telegram is the easiest first messaging platform. 5 minutes from zero to chatting with your agent from your phone. The bot handles text, voice memos that auto-transcribe images and file attachments. Step 1. Get a bot token. Open Telegram, message at botfather, send/newbot, pick a display name, pick a username that ends in bot. Botfather gives you an API token that looks like a long colon-separated string. Keep it secret. Anyone with the token controls the bot. Step 2. Tell Hermes about it. Hermes Gateway Setup. Pick Telegram, paste the token, then Hermes Gateway start to run the bot, or Hermes Gateway install to register it as a managed service that auto-starts and survives reboots. Step 3. /sethome. In whatever Telegram chat you want to be the bot's main home, like a self-DM, send /sethome. That tells Hermes, this is the channel for scheduled task results and proactive messages. You only do this once per platform. The one gotcha that bites everyone. Telegram bots have privacy mode on by default. In groups, the bot only sees /commands and direct replies. If you want the bot to see every group message, go back to botfather /mybots, pick your bot settings, group privacy, turn off, then remove the bot and re-add it to the group because Telegram caches that setting on join. A nicer option for groups. Observe unmentioned group messages plus require mention in config.yml. The bot sees every message as context, but only responds when you add it or reply to it. That way you can have a water cooler group where the agent quietly follows along and only chimes in when called. 3 bonus tricks. Inside any chat /handoff Telegram from the CLI jumps a live conversation to your phone. /voice on plus, an 11 labs key, turns on voice replies, so the bot sends spoken audio alongside its text. And rich messages are now opt-in. Set rich messages true in config.yml for native tables, task lists, and math. They are off by default because current Telegram clients make rich text hard to copy, especially code snippets on mobile. That's Hermes on Telegram, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.